feel me? They be coming with the D voice with the rap and putting a little swag on it. You feel me? Putting a little on them bars, man. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. He gonna be spitting them bars, man? I know he gonna be spitting them. What's the deal, gang, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy Rich Homie Twan, man. As you can see by today's title, what we about to react to, you know we have to get into it. Y'all been requesting it. I've been seeing it a lot, man. BTS Airplane Part 2. So I'm like, man, let's tap into it. It's a young Korean group. I see them doing they thing. So look, we about to tap into them and see what they got popping. Every time I tap into like a group, you feel me, that be doing their K-pop, going crazy, they always have one person or two people that's rapping, going crazy, going stupid, going dumb. Don't get me wrong, I mess with the singing too. All that's vibing, you feel me? But I want to tap in and see if, you know, somebody on here rapping got bars. You always know I'm down to tap into the lit groups, man. You just got to put me on and I'm going to react to them, gang. You already know how it is over here, man. I react to everything for y'all. But look, man, let's tap into this video, see what they talking about. See if it's that fire, that heat. Oh yeah, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell, ring that bell, man, turn on post notifications, man, like, spam that like button, man, you feel me, go crazy in the comments, share the videos, man, if you like it, if it's lit, man, let's do it. Okay, my boy swagging the pink joint. Okay, that's the one. I think he gonna be. That's the one. I think he gonna be spitting them bars, man. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. He gonna be spitting them bars, man. I know he gonna be spitting them. Come on, let's see. Yeah, come on. Man, where my subtitles at, man? Why they always playing me, taking my subtitles off? Hold on. Want to see what they talking about. Oh man, where the subtitle join at? Yeah, fuck it, we just gonna run it, man. We ain't waste no time. They all swagging the same cut though with different colors. Okay, I see how y'all doing it. Yeah, sir. Ooh, they fucking them dance moves up, ain't they? Oh, do your thing, do your stuff, this thing, what? Oh, he ain't playing on the bar. My boy not playing, he on the bar with it, going crazy. Talk to him then. Slide on him, yes sir. Hey. Oh. Oh, wait, hold on. That's two of them that rapping. Okay, okay. Let's do it. They be coming with the D voice too and they rapping. Putting that swag on it. You feel me? They be coming with the D voice with the rap and putting a little swag on it. You feel me? Putting a little on the little, you know what I'm saying? Hey. Yes, sir, man. That was my reaction to BTS Airplane. What was that, part 2? Ooh, they be doing their thing. Hey, let me know in the if y'all know them, let me know in the comments down below who was the two homies that was rapping, man. That was going crazy, man. They was really doing their thing. They even, you know what I'm saying? They be swagging when they rap. It don't just be like no regular, just them talking. They really be putting their swag on it. So I mess with them for that, man. For real, for real. But look, man, if y'all like that video, man, share that, man. Go crazy with that one. And hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on the post notifications. You gotta ring that bell, man. Hit the like button, spam it up, go crazy, go stupid, go dumb on it, man. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what y'all want me to react to next, what y'all want to see. You know I'm gonna make it lit, make it funny. So yeah, man, look, until next time, gang, man, we out.